Hey guys, Standale, President Florida Suncoast. I finally made it home in time to do this in the daylight, which is actually pretty cool if you think about it. Let me just jump right in here. Coming up this Saturday, Cars and Coffee, Fort Myers, be there. We're going to have a blast, and then about 10:30, we're going to blast off. Anthony and Debbie have planned a really nice, fun backroads drive out to Lake Placid. If you don't know where Lake Placid is, Lake Placid for us South Floridians is en route to Sebring for us. It's the place that has all the hills and the lakes. It's beautiful. We're going to Jackson's for lunch, so come join us. We'll take a really nice drive, have a lot of fun, visit with everybody. We'll do the Cars and Coffee first, and then we'll go have our lunch out at Jackson's. Let me skip forward to the 28th. Again, another Anthony and Debbie presentation. We have the annual trek to Revs down in Naples, and that is just one of the top 3 car collections in the world. For those folks that have been, it's an amazing. We always see something new. They always put something new in there for us, and then just after the tour, we're heading over to Spanky's for lunch. It's sort of one of our traditional things. I think this is, I don't know, like the 10th or 12th time we've been to Revs. And I love going when I see new people go and they go, oh my God, I didn't know something like this existed in the world. What a car collection. You don't want to miss it. For the price, it's just an amazing attendance. So check that out. On the 1st, we go to Sarasota, Cars and Coffee, and Lachlan is planning on, he'll have the coffee and the donuts ready. Last month we had about 40 folks there. I've challenged Lachlan, let's see how big you can get it. How many more can we get in there? And we'll have a lot of fun, so we'll do that. 2 new area governors, Gary up in Jacksonville and Damien over in Lakeland. We have things coming up there. We're working with an exotic car dealer up in Jacksonville to put on a pretty high-end Cars and Coffee. We already have something going on with North Florida Beamers as we do the Cars and Coffee there. Al had got that set up with Keble Corps, and we are up there. And Keble, you do a great job up there. Thank you for all that. And then this will be an alternative. So we'll have 2 huge events up in Jacksonville area. Damon's coming on in the Lakeland area for the Fields BMW. We're going back to the Cars and Coffee at Fields, and that'll give us an event there on the east side of the Tampa market and the Lakeland area as well. So we're looking forward to getting that up and going. There's a lot of things going on. John Schneider just put together a combo FSC and Z luncheon, midweek luncheon. So I saw that come up on the calendar this week. It's just a lot of things happening, a lot of new things happening. So let me jump forward real quick. For those folks that are going on the May mountain drive, this is the one that got postponed from last October because of the storms. You're getting information this weekend about lodging for number 1 for Greer, South Carolina. I'll blast that out. If you haven't made reservations yet for the 14th, night of the 14th of April, I'll shoot that to you. Get your reservations made for lodging there. We'll do the Performance Center on Thursday morning, and then we depart for Maggie Valley. And there's some lodging information that's coming out for Maggie Valley. It's a little bit of a change, so look for that. I've started communicating that information this week, but it'll all be out by this weekend as I work with the hotels and everything to make it work for us. That said, October Drive 4, Mountain Drive 4, is now up and open for reservations for this October. And I think the dates are the 9th through the 15th or something like that of this October 2025. So if you want to be a part of the Mountain Drive, get to the website and RSVP, get on that list for us now so we know how many are going to be going for the October, where we go up and see all the leaves and all that kind of stuff. And if the Lord's with us in the right way, we have no hurricanes going through and messing up our fun. So let's see if that works out. A lot of things happening, a lot of new things going on, and a lot of twists happening. Hey, there's a large group of us heading up to the MIX in Greer, South Carolina in April. I believe that's April the 5th, can't remember what day it is. Sometime in April, but it's on the calendar already. So if you're gonna go to the mix, go on the CCA site and make your reservations quick because it's selling out. and then let us know. Just send me an email, a text message, smoke signals, carrier pigeon, something to get my attention and let me know you're going to go so we can plan the touring drive up to Greer, South Carolina. So with all that said, hey, the last thing we can do is happy motoring, right? All right, until then, see ya. Hope to see you Saturday. Thanks, bye.